Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of portable speakers dying mid-party or sounding tinny when you turn them up, stick around. Today, I'm going to show you whether the JBL Flip 7 really fixes those pain points and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss hands-on reviews like this. And after the video, check the link in the description to find the best deals on this speaker and let me know in the comments what you think of this speaker. The JBL Flip 7 weighs about 1.23 pounds. It measures 2.8 inches depth, 7.19 inches wide, and 2.7 inches high, so it's still very portable. It offers Bluetooth 5.4 with support for SBC and AAC codecs. The speaker sports a 3 inches racetrack mid-bass driver plus a 0.6-inch tweeter, delivering an output of about 25 watts RMS. It also supports USB-C audio playback. Hold the play button while plugging in for lossless 24-bit 96 kHz listening. The battery is rated up to 16 hours with the playtime boost mode. Though in regular mode you'll reliably get around 14 hours. It has an IP68 rating, meaning it's dust-proof, waterproof, and even drop-resistant from up to 1 meter. It also drops the older Party Boost system, and instead supports Auracast for pairing multiple JBL devices. In the JBL Portable app, you get a full 7-band graphic equalizer and presets to tailor the sound. So, after using the Flip 7 for weeks, here's how it performs. What makes the Flip 7 stand out to me is that it strikes a rare balance between ruggedness, portability, and musical clarity. In real life, it survived rainy outdoor sessions without flinching and delivered clean mids and crisp highs, even at high volume, all while being easy to carry. It's best for people who want a durable speaker for outdoor use, beach trips, hikes, or casual home use without sacrificing sound quality. The fact that JBL added USB-C lossless capability and Auracast means it's more future-oriented than many rivals. Now, the one shortcoming I noticed is battery life. When I pushed it hard at max volume, I didn't reach the full 16 hours promise. More like 12 to 13 hours in practice. But even then, considering everything else it offers, I still believe the JBL Flip 7 is absolutely worth owning. So, that's my take. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe now so you won't miss upcoming tests and comparisons. Be sure to check the link in the description to grab the best deal on the Flip 7. And drop a comment below telling me your experience. Do you think this is the best portable speaker yet?